Hello motion designers, this is our new motion graphics tutorial. Today we are going to create stylish opener motion graphics animation, using shape animation, trim path animation, text animators, mask path animation and lot more without using any third-party plugins. Let's create a new composition with 1920 pixels width and 1080 pixels height with 30 frame per second format. Select Shape tool, draw a square rectangle shape in composition, align it in the center of composition. Open the size animation property of shape layer, apply 3 animation keys on timeline, maintaining distance of 15 frames between each key. Now open the stroke width property of shape layer and apply the animation keys as we do with size animation property. Now apply the size animation value in order 0, 290 and 110 on animation keys. And also apply stroke width values in order 50, 80 and 10 on animation keys. Convert all the keys into easy ease keys, now jump in speed graph and edit animation graph as I did. Duplicate the shape layer, now select bottom shape layer and change stroke color as per your choice. Now offset the top shape layer on timeline by 2 frames from the start. Select bottom shape layer, trim the layer on timeline as I did. Now create a new null object, select both the shape layer and parent them to the null layer. Open X position property and rotation property of null layer, apply 2 animation keys on both the property with maintaining 30 frames distance. Apply -180 degree rotation value on second key, and change the position value of null object in composition on second key as I did. Select all animation keys and convert them into easy ease animation keys, now jump in speed graph and edit animation graph as showed. Now select the top shape layer, apply trim path animator on it. Now adjust the trim path's offset value as I did to get desirable results. Select start and end property of trim path, apply 2 animation key on both, maintaining 30 frames distance. Change start value to 8, end value to 92 on last keys. Change stroke cap option to round cap. Select all animation keys, convert them into easy ease. Jump into speed graph and edit animation graph as showed. Now select the text tool, type your desirable text title in the composition with your choice of font style. Adjust the text layer with top shape layer to generate desirable animation. Select text layer, apply text position animator on it. Add opacity property in the same animator. Now change position value in animator as showed and change opacity value to 0. Change the animation shape to ramp down in animator. Animate the offset animation property in animator from +100 value to -100 value on timeline with applying 2 animation keys, maintaining the distance of 30 frames. Select both animation keys, convert into easy ease keys, jump in speed graph and edit graph as showed. Select text layer, create a rectangle shape mask around text in composition. Now select mask path animation property in text layer, apply 2 animation keys on timeline to generate mask path animation as I showed. Convert both animation keys into easy ease. Congratulations, our opener motion graphics for social media videos is ready to use. Do like, share and subscribe to support our channel.